Imagine a world shrouded in darkness where towering mountains and deep valleys remain unseen. This is the deep sea, a realm of perpetual night, where the pressure is 1,000 times greater than at sea level. In this frigid, sunless world, life thrives against all odds. Creatures like the anglerfish, with its eerie glowing lure, or the giant squid locked in epic battles with sperm whales. How about bioluminescence, an incredible adaptation that many deep-sea creatures possess, using light to communicate, attract prey, or deter predators? From the ethereal jellyfish to the bizarre yet fascinating gulper eel, the deep sea is a testament to life's resilience and creativity. So next time you gaze at the ocean, remember, beneath the waves lies a world more alien and mysterious than we could ever imagine.